I built with Alexander the Great. He told the Persians they should stay gone. Then he told me about the Oracle of Amon. He gave me no clue where it is. Men fear time, yet time fear the pyramids. He gave me more jewels. He told me that Amen Hotep was immortal. I can't overstand hieroglyph, so I called Killer Priest and he told me how to follow it. I walked through the Valley of the Kings with a white robe, white rose and Muwali's rings, and your whole team Judas. My robe thin, goat skin like Zeus's. I speak the dialogue of the dead. I practice the same war tactics in King Arthur's head. So let the swordsman kill the beast. It's a legacy of blood with Vinnie Paz.